Complex numbers help strengthen the child's understanding of place value. You will need a set of numbers. You will also need unit beads, 10 bars, 100 squares, and 1,000 cubes. I will be showing this work using what Montessorians call the golden beads. The set I purchased are on Amazon. I've posted the link below. I have also created a pattern for printing off and cutting out your own golden beads. That pattern is linked below too. Please look at my Intro to Math with the Golden Beads video to learn of other options for the golden bead set and to see the recommended order in which to teach your child the works. So this is how I would set out my rug. I would have my numbers all lined up. As you can see, I still have it right to left in the decimal order, but I have it all pushed to the side so I have room to work. You can also have the child have an empty tray and retrieve the material to where it's located in your house, or you can have all the material right here for them to use, which is what I prefer. It just makes it easier and keeps it going so you can make more complex numbers. So basically I'm gonna say, okay, get me 6. And so the child might just grab a 6. I'll say, okay, so what is 6? And they'll say 6 units, or, coach them that it's 6 units, and then they'll grab 6 units. 1, 2, 5, 6. And then I'll say, get me 4 10s. Great, get me 2 hundreds. And get me 1,000. When I combine the numbers for the first time, I start individually with each one, so it's easier to understand. So for example, this is 6, this is 40, now it's 46. Put 46 on 200, now it's 246. And then you put it on 1,000, and now it's 1,246. If the child has trouble reading this, I usually take it off without saying what it is, and then they can read it easier. So as soon as you take it off, they can say that that's 1,246. And now they know what 1,246 looks like. Make sure when you're making complex numbers to add in some teens. For example, if you were to do 1,214, I mentioned in my teen board work how teens are the hardest to learn because they're the only ones that you read backwards. So your child might get stumped. I have many students that get stumped on that. So reiterate the teens with your complex numbers. Have the child write the number. I like to have them write it in the same colors as the numbers so it solidifies the decimal placement. Then have the child read the number they wrote. Have fun!